Did you know that a single letter in your mailbox could be the key to receiving $2,800 in Social Security benefits this month? Imagine opening your mailbox to find that golden ticket, a notice that could dramatically change your financial situation. Every year, millions of Americans miss out on thousands of dollars in Social Security benefits simply because they don't understand what these crucial letters mean. But today, I'm going to reveal exactly what you need to look for and how these mysterious letters could signal a significant boost to your monthly income. Have you been throwing away important Social Security letters without realizing what they mean? Are you one of the countless Americans who might be eligible for increased benefits but don't know it? Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to share the insider secrets that could put an extra $2,800 in your pocket this month. Before we dive deeper into these life-changing details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Let's start by addressing the elephant in the room. Why are these letters so important? The Social Security Administration sends out various notices throughout the year, but specific letters are absolute gold mines when it comes to your benefits. These aren't just ordinary pieces of mail, they're potential pathways to thousands of dollars in additional monthly income. One of the most significant letters you need to watch for is the COLA notice. This cost of living adjustment letter typically arrives in December and details how much your benefits will increase in the coming year. For many beneficiaries, this adjustment could mean the difference between struggling to make ends meet and having a comfortable cushion in their monthly budget. But here's what many people don't realize: the COLA notice isn't the only important letter you should be watching for. The Social Security Administration also sends out what's known as a benefit verification letter. This document isn't just a piece of paper confirming your benefits, it's actually a powerful tool that could help you identify if you're receiving all the benefits you're entitled to. Sometimes, these letters contain codes or specific language that indicate you might be eligible for additional benefits. For instance, if you see the code T2 followed by specific numbers, this could mean you're eligible for additional benefits based on your work history or family situation. Many Americans simply file these letters away without understanding their true significance. Let's talk about another crucial piece of mail: the earnings statement letter. This document shows your entire work history and the contributions you've made to Social Security throughout your career. Why is this so important? Because errors in your earnings record could be costing you hundreds or even thousands of dollars in monthly benefits. Studies have shown that approximately 3 out of 10 Americans have errors in their Social Security earnings records. Here's something that might surprise you: if you're married, divorced, or widowed, you might receive letters indicating eligibility for spousal or survivor benefits. These benefits could significantly increase your monthly payment, potentially up to that $2,800 figure we mentioned earlier. Many people don't realize that they can receive these benefits even if they're already collecting their own Social Security retirement benefits. The Social Security Administration also sends out letters about disability benefits. If you've ever worked and paid into the Social Security system, you might be eligible for disability benefits if you become unable to work. These letters often contain specific language about your eligibility and the amount you could receive. Unfortunately, many people mistake these for routine correspondence and miss out on substantial benefits. Another critical letter to watch for is the Medicare enrollment notice. While this might not seem directly related to your Social Security benefits, it actually can have a significant impact on your monthly payment. Making the right Medicare choices can save you hundreds of dollars each month, effectively increasing your disposable income from Social Security. Let's delve into something that few people understand: the windfall elimination provision, WEP, and government pension offset, GPO, letters. If you've ever worked for a government agency or had a pension from a job where you didn't pay Social Security taxes, these letters are crucial. They could indicate whether your benefits might be reduced or if you're eligible for exceptions that could increase your monthly payment. The Social Security Administration also sends out letters about Supplemental Security Income, SSI. This program provides additional payments to people with limited income and resources. Many people don't realize that they can receive both SSI and regular Social Security benefits simultaneously, potentially boosting their monthly income significantly. Here's a little-known fact: the Social Security Administration occasionally sends out letters about unclaimed benefits. These could be benefits you were eligible for in the past but never received. In some cases, you might be able to claim these benefits retroactively, resulting in a substantial lump sum payment. Understanding the timing of these letters is crucial. The Social Security Administration typically sends important notices about benefit changes or eligibility during specific times of the year. For instance, COLA notices arrive in December, while Medicare-related letters often come in the fall. Knowing when to expect these letters can help you avoid missing important information. But what happens if you've already received these letters and thrown them away? Don't panic. The Social Security Administration keeps records of all correspondence sent to beneficiaries. You can request copies of any letters you've received in the past year through your My Social Security account online or by visiting your local Social Security office. Let's talk about appeal letters. If you've been denied benefits or received a lower amount than you believe you're entitled to, the Social Security Administration will send you a letter explaining their decision and your right to appeal. Many people give up after receiving a denial letter, but understanding the appeals process could be the key to securing those higher benefits. Something that often surprises people is the relationship between Social Security benefits and tax letters. The Social Security Administration sends out notices about the taxability of your benefits. Understanding these letters could help you make strategic decisions about when to claim benefits and how to manage your overall income to minimize taxes. Here's an important point about representative payee letters. If you're managing benefits for someone else or if someone is managing your benefits, these letters contain crucial information about responsibilities and reporting requirements. Misunderstanding these letters could result in benefit reductions or even legal issues. The Social Security Administration also sends out letters about work activity while receiving benefits. If you're working while collecting Social Security, these letters explain how your earnings might affect your benefits. Understanding these letters could help you maximize your income while staying within the program's guidelines. Let's discuss something that few people know about letters regarding military service credits. If you served in the military, you might receive letters about additional credits that could increase your benefits. Many veterans miss out on these additional benefits simply because they don't understand the significance of these notices. Another crucial type of letter concerns family benefits. If you have dependent children or grandchildren, you might receive notices about their eligibility for benefits on your record. These family benefits could significantly increase the total amount your household receives from Social Security. The Social Security Administration also sends out letters about overpayments and underpayments. While overpayment notices might seem negative, they often contain important information about your rights and options for repayment. Underpayment notices, on the other hand, could mean you're entitled to additional back payments. Understanding international benefit letters is crucial if you plan to live abroad or if you've worked in other countries. These letters explain how your benefits might be affected by international agreements and what steps you need to take to continue receiving your payments while outside the United States. Let's talk about something that affects many people: letters about disability reviews. If you're receiving disability benefits, the Social Security Administration periodically reviews your case. These letters contain important information about what you need to do to maintain your benefits. The Social Security Administration also sends out letters about retirement age options. These letters explain how your benefit amount would differ depending on when you choose to start receiving benefits. Understanding these options could mean the difference between receiving $1,500 or $2,800 per month. Another important type of letter concerns Medicare Income-Related Monthly Adjustment Amount, RMAA. These letters explain how your income affects your Medicare premiums, which are typically deducted from your Social Security benefits. Understanding these adjustments could help you better plan your retirement income strategy. Let's discuss protective filing date letters. These letters establish when you first contacted Social Security about benefits, which could affect when your benefits begin. Many people don't realize the significance of these dates and miss out on months of payments they could have received. The Social Security Administration also sends out letters about critical payment information changes. These could include changes in your direct deposit information or address changes. While these might seem routine, missing these letters could result in interrupted payments. Here's something few people understand: letters about deemed filing rules. These notices explain how claiming one type of benefit might affect your eligibility for other benefits. Understanding these rules could help you make strategic decisions about when to claim different types of benefits. Finally, let's talk about benefit estimate letters. These provide projections of your future benefits based on your current earnings record. Understanding these estimates could help you make informed decisions about your retirement planning and whether you might need to make changes to reach that $2,800 monthly benefit level. Remember, these letters aren't just routine mail, they're potential pathways to thousands of dollars in additional benefits. Don't let these important notices slip through your fingers. Keep an eye on your mailbox, understand what these letters mean, and take action when necessary to ensure you're receiving all the benefits you're entitled to. Now that you understand the significance of these Social Security letters, take action today. Check your mail carefully, review any recent notices you've received, and consider reaching out to the Social Security Administration if you think you might be missing out on benefits. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more valuable Social Security information, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from this knowledge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.